Today we are going to start the second chapter of economics. We are going to start our statistics, and the second chapter is the collection of data. Statistics means a data or a quantity information capable of some meaningful conclusions. ठीक है? Statistics means a data or a quantitative information. In statistics, it involves only the quantitative information which is capable of bringing some conclusions. ठीक है? In collection of data, we will study about the sources of data and the method of collecting the data. Sources, in the sources there are two type of sources: primary sources and secondary sources. Primary source of data implies collection of data from its source of origin. Primary source means क्या आता है कि data collect किया जाता है from its original source सोर्स से कलेक्ट किया जाता है. इट ऑफर द फर्स्ट हैंड क्वांटिटेटिव इंफॉर्मेशन. ये फर्स्ट हैंड डेटा होता है रिलेटेड टू योर स्टैटिस्टिकल स्टडी. सेकेंडरी सोर्स क्या है? इट इम्प्लाइज ऑब्टेनिंग द रेलेवेंट स्टैटिस्टिकल इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम एन एजेंसी or an institutions which is already in possession of that information. In secondary sources, information is already collected by any agency or institution. You just collect from that institution or agency and just make the use of that data. Okay, it implies obtaining the relevant statistical information. ठीक है, आप information collect करते which is already collected by any agency or any institutions which is ready in position of that information. मतलब वो information is ready to be used. When there are two sources of data, there are two type of data. That when data is collected from the primary source, then it is known as primary data. When the data is collected from the secondary source, it is known as secondary data. Primary data collected by investigator for his own purpose. When the data is collected by the investigator for his own purpose for the first time, from the beginning to in the starting से लेके end तक जब वो investigator खुद collect करता है data for the first time, it is known as primary data. So it is also known as first hand data. Secondary data, it refers to the data which is already in existence. ठीक है, secondary data is a data which is already in existence. ठीक है, which is already collected by someone and which have been collected for some other purpose. The data which has been already collected by someone for any other purpose. Then answering of the question in the hand, you just make the use of that data to answer your questions. And then secondary data is known as second hand data.